Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so glad you found your way here to this lecture for sleep. Find a comfortable position, whether you're lying down in bed or resting in a favorite chair. Allow your body to begin to settle. There's nothing you need to do right now, nowhere else you need to be. Just be here in this moment, ready to drift away. Tonight, our journey takes us to a place of myth and tranquility, a place known in whispers as the Cursed Lake. But don't let the name trouble you. Its curse is not one of malice, but one of profound, deep, and unending slumber. It is a curse of perfect rest. Let go of the day's tensions. Release your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and soften the muscles around your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, imagine all your worries, all the noise and chatter of your mind, gently flowing out of you, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Let's do that again. A long, slow breath in and a peaceful, complete breath out. Your only task now is to listen to the sound of my voice as we begin our exploration of this mystical place. The Cursed Lake is not found on any map. It's a place you arrive at when you are truly ready to let go. Legend says it was formed from the tears of a moon goddess who wept for the tired and weary world below. Her tears pooled in a great ancient crater, and each drop was filled with her wish for universal peace and rest. Over centuries, these waters became imbued with a powerful, calming magic. Those who find the lake are said to fall into the most restorative sleep they have ever known, waking only when their body and spirit are fully healed. This is the curse, the irresistible invitation to total rejuvenation. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, imagine you are walking along a hidden path. The air around you is cool and smells of damp earth, night-blooming jasmine, and ancient pine trees. The path is soft underfoot, covered in a carpet of moss that muffles your every step. You can hear the gentle rustling of leaves in a soft breeze and the distant melodic call of a lone nightbird. There is no sense of urgency here. You walk at a pace that feels natural and calm, drawn forward by a faint, silvery light shimmering through the trees ahead. With each step, you feel more and more relaxed. The gentle rhythm of your walking and your breathing are in perfect harmony. The world outside this path, with all its demands and distractions, begins to fade away. It's as if you are stepping out of time into a sanctuary created just for you. The trees on either side of the path are old and wise, their branches reaching up to the starry sky like protective arms. You feel safe here. You feel a sense of belonging. The silver light grows a little brighter, pulling you gently onward. You come to a clearing, and there it is, the Cursed Lake. It's even more beautiful than the legends describe. The surface of the water is as smooth and dark as polished obsidian, perfectly reflecting the star-dusted sky above. A full, luminous moon hangs directly overhead, casting a wide, shimmering column of light across the water. This is the moon goddess's enduring gaze, her watchful, loving presence. The lake is vast, stretching out to a distant shore shrouded in mist. It is utterly still, a perfect mirror of the heavens. The air here is different. It hums with a quiet, peaceful energy that you can feel on your skin, a gentle vibration that soothes your very core. There are no harsh sounds, only the soft lapping of water against the shore and the whisper of the wind through the tall reeds that line the water's edge. At the edge of the lake, you see a small, wooden pier. It looks ancient but sturdy. You feel an instinctual pull to walk out onto it, to get closer to the heart of the lake's magic. You step onto the pier, and the old wood is smooth and warm beneath your feet. You walk slowly to the end and sit down, letting your legs dangle just above the water's surface. The reflection is so clear, it feels as if you are sitting on the edge of the universe, suspended between two starry skies. You look down and see the constellations twinkling back at you from the depths. There is no fear, only a profound sense of wonder and peace. The water is not cold. It radiates a gentle, comforting warmth. As you sit here, you begin to notice the subtle details of this magical place. Tiny, glowing motes of light like fireflies drift lazily in the air, their paths tracing soft, hypnotic patterns. These are said to be manifestations of sleepy thoughts and happy dreams, released by all who have rested here before you. They dance and swirl, some of them dipping down to kiss the surface of the water, creating tiny, silent ripples that spread outward in perfect, glowing circles. Watching them is mesmerizing, and you feel your eyelids growing heavier. You decide to lie down on the pier, your head resting on your hands. The wood feels surprisingly comfortable, as if it were shaped just for you. Now your view is of the endless sky above. You trace the patterns of the stars, finding familiar constellations and imagining new ones. The vastness of it all doesn't make you feel small. Instead, it makes you feel connected to everything, a part of this immense quiet beauty. A gentle wave of drowsiness washes over you, warm and pleasant. The curse of the lake is beginning to work its magic. It is not a sudden spell, but a gradual, tender embrace. It starts in your toes, a gentle, tingling sensation of relaxation that slowly spreads upward, into your feet and your ankles. You feel all the tension from standing and walking simply dissolve away, as if washed clean by the lake's ethereal water. The feeling of heavy, wonderful relaxation moves into your calves and your knees, making your legs feel wonderfully heavy and still. This wave of deep calm continues its journey, moving up into your thighs and your hips, releasing any stored tension. Your entire lower body feels grounded, peaceful, and completely at rest. You have no desire to move. You are exactly where you need to be. The sensation flows into your stomach and your lower back, soothing and calming. You take another deep, slow breath, and as you exhale, you feel your torso sink even more deeply into the support of the pier. The wave of relaxation now spreads across your chest and into your shoulders, melting away the burdens you've been carrying. Your shoulders drop, and you feel a sense of lightness and freedom. The feeling flows down your arms, through your elbows, and into your hands and fingers. Your hands, which have worked so hard, can now rest, lying limp and open at your sides. Every muscle, every fiber of your being is letting go. Finally, this gentle, sleep-inducing energy moves into your neck and your head. It soothes the muscles in your jaw, your cheeks, and your forehead. The tiny muscles around your eyes relax completely. Your thoughts, which were once so busy, are now slow and distant, like clouds drifting lazily across the moonlit sky. They appear, and then they simply float away, leaving behind only peace and quiet. Your mind is becoming as still and reflective as the cursed lake itself. You are now in a state of perfect tranquility. Your body is heavy, your mind is quiet, and your spirit is calm. You are floating in a sea of serenity, held safely by the magic of this ancient place. This is the gift of the cursed lake. It's the gift of letting go, of surrendering to the deep need for rest that your body and mind have been craving. There is nothing to fight, nothing to resist. Simply allow yourself to drift. Imagine now that the moonlight on the water is not just light, but a liquid blanket of sleep. It gently rises from the surface of the lake and wraps itself around you. It's a blanket of pure comfort, woven from starlight and silence. It is weightless, yet incredibly comforting, swaddling you in its peaceful embrace. You feel utterly safe, completely secure, and deeply, deeply sleepy. As you lie here, enveloped in this blanket of light, you might hear the lake whispering to you. It doesn't use words, but communicates through feelings. It tells you that it's okay to rest. It tells you that you have done enough for today. It gives you permission to sleep, to heal, to recharge. You have earned this peace. You deserve this profound rest. Let the gentle murmur of the lake be a lullaby, guiding you further and further down into a deep and dreamless slumber. Your consciousness is now like a single autumn leaf floating on the perfectly still surface of the lake. It drifts slowly, peacefully towards the center, where the moonlight is brightest. With every gentle ripple, You sink deeper into relaxation. Deeper and deeper. There are no more thoughts, only feelings. The feeling of peace, the feeling of safety, the feeling of sleep. You are on the very edge of slumber now, ready to let the last thread of awareness dissolve into the beautiful, dark, quiet water. The cursed lake has accepted you. Its gentle curse of rest is now your blessing. You will sleep deeply tonight. Your sleep will be uninterrupted and restorative. Your mind will be cleared, your body will be healed, and your spirit will be renewed. When you awaken, you will feel refreshed, revitalized, and ready for a new day. But for now, there is only sleep. There is only beautiful, profound, peaceful sleep. Let go, drift away. The lake will hold you. Rest now, sleep now, sleep.